Hey guys, Annabelle here from JotForm. Did you know that approximately 2 billion people are actively engaged on social media every single day? That said, your lead gen efforts have the potential to reach a large number of people, even if you have a tiny budget. In this video, we're going to go over 3 best practices for how to optimize social media for lead generation. Best practice number 1, create social media only offers. Creating social media only offers will give people a reason to visit your social pages and take advantage of what you're offering. Best practice number 2, provide valuable content. No one likes fake or spam content, so really make sure you're providing your audience with relatable, relevant content that they can actually use. Best practice number 3, go live with video. When you go live with video, people have the opportunity to see who you are and will feel more comfortable working with you. If you like what you heard so far, you will love reading the rest of Chapter 8 in our lead generation guide, which talks about how to optimize social media for lead generation. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out Chapter 9, Maximizing Lead Value Through Lead Nurturing.